So the question is 4 to the power x minus 36 to the power y equals to 28, and we have to find out the value of x and y both. Okay, so what is the given equation? Given equation is 4 to the power x minus 36 to the power y equals to 28. So 4 to the power x, we can write 4 in this way, 2 square to the power x minus 36. 36 is just the square value of 6, so we can write it 6 square to the power y equals to 28. Now we can write it 2 to the power x square minus 6 to the power y square equals to 28. Now look, this is basically a square minus b square, so we are just going to put this formula. So it comes 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y into 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y equals to 28. Now look, this is an even number and this is also an even number. So the result will also be an even number. Okay, it will be an even number, and here it is also an even number, this is also an even number, so the result will also be an even number. Now this is 28. How we can write 28? So we can write 28 in this way. Just look, 28, 1 into 28. Next it comes 2 into 14, and next 4 into 7. Now look, here both numbers are even, but here 7 and 1 are not even numbers, so we are going to take this option, 2 into 14. Okay, so we can write this equation in this way: 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y into 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y equals to 2 into 14. Now this is plus, so the value will be greater than this, so we can say 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y equals to 14, and 2 to the power x minus 6 to the power y equals to 2. Now we can easily cut it, so 2 into 2 to the power x equals to 16. That means 2 to the power x equals to 8, and 8, that is equals to 2 cube. So we can write 2 to the power x equals to 2 cube. So therefore x equals to 3. Okay, now put the value of x in this equation. 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y equals to 14. So 2 to the power x plus 6 to the power y equals to 14, and we get x equals to 3. That means we can write 2 to the power 3 plus 6 to the power y equals to 14. From here we get 6 to the power y equals to 14 minus 8, which is equals to 6. So we can write it 6 to the power y equals to 6 to the power 1. Therefore we can write y equals to 1. So it comes x equals to 3 and y equals to 1. Now put the value of x and y in the main equation. 4 to the power x, that means we can write 4 to the power 3 minus 36 to the power y, that means 36 to the power 1. Okay, so 4 to the power 3, which is equals to 64, that means we can write 64 minus 36, which comes 28. Now look, 4 to the power x minus 36 to the power y equals to 28. So the value of x and y is just equals to 3 and 1.